Hello viewers, I'm Wasim Sayed and I welcome you to this video and right now I'm in the Paris in the beautiful city of France, which is really famous for its romantic living style and for its breathtaking beauty. And I'm very pleased that right now we are standing on the top of world famous, one of the wonder of the world, Eiffel Tower, and with me right now is standing Mr. President Jamal Takkko, who is the Deputy President of Fine Revolutionary Movement Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm okay, alright.
I'm really pleased to have your company right now here. I would like to ask you that I think it's the first time that some revolutionary leader is speaking and giving his opinion from the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Yes, you're right.
What would you like to say about this moment?
Actually, our moment is a very big moment. The thing is, if I'll go into detail, it's very long. But in a brief, I will tell you one thing: we are revolutionaries and we are fighting against corrupt and criminals since 8 years, 9 years. And our message already has gone in the people by internet, Facebook, and YouTube, and we have we already given a lot of messages to the people of Pakistan. So what can I tell you that my brother President Jamal Takkko Message and myself, we are trying to fight against children of Pakistan. I mean all thick-headed and big-headed. So it's a difficult task, but we are trying.
Well, I do appreciate your bravery and your dedication for this movement. My question is that as a deputy president of FINE,
Yeah.
what would you think, what's the solution to get the Pakistan out from these crises that Pakistan is facing right now, including all kind of terrorism and natural disaster and all kind of political things that too?
This is what we said, that the terrorism. The thing is, we have to finish first of all the terrorism in Pakistan and the extremists of Pakistan. Okay, we have a big problem. We have another problem, political problem, and now we have a problem with what do you call extremists and terrorism and all of that. I think. My opinion is that this is the fault of, especially, I'm sorry to say, but this is fact. This ISI, and secret service, right, and army. If they are strong, they will be strong. I think everything will be okay. But the people of army and they are not working well, and because of those people, we have a big problem. And now we are ashamed to be living in other countries and Europe and everywhere. So what can I say?
Okay, and who would you blame for the current situation going on in Pakistan? Pakistan's politicians or Pakistan nation, or both of them?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Yes, both of them. Because people of the Pakistan, they don't understand. They don't want to understand. Since 63 years, they don't want to understand. They do the same thing every time. They're going to voting bill, watch it. They knew it that situation. These are the big bastards. Each and every politician is the bastard of the Pakistan, right? And people don't want to understand. And but our bureaucracy, they are supporting these politicians, and people don't want to listen. They don't want to get up. So now we want that people can understand. They have to come up and join us. Excuse me. Standing with us, okay.
Stand against the injustice.
Standing against the injustice.
You're taking so many risks, including all kind of risks from, I would say, like establishment of Pakistan or whatever the politicians. They have so many ways to attack on someone who is.
We have the threat. We already have the threat. People send the threat. I think 100,000 times people send the threat that we will kill you, we will find you, and this and that. We damn care about it. we already decided in our mind that we have to fight till we get our death. So I don't bother about these things. You know, thing is, terrorists, we don't bother about this. We decided. So we went through every part of danger.
And tell me one thing, like when you will get the success, what will you do? What would you do with the politicians in Pakistan, and how would you build the Pakistan?
we have a lot of things. Especially, I don't have a time to tell all the things because it's a very short
Just
time.
explain a little bit.
Only the thing is, whenever we come over there, we will hang them. We will put them in the front of fire squads, and we will finish, Yeah.
For the Pakistan's nation, for the Pakistan's poor people.
What are we gonna do? Well, first of all, we have a lot of links. Gonna make a link with the foreign countries, and maybe we're gonna make a program new. So the question what you asked me, I think my brother Aga Sayyed will give you a best answer. What we're gonna do, because there's a lot of secrets. We have a lot of plans, and the real answer, my brother Aga Sayyed standing over there. You can ask them. Yes, you can ask them questions. He knew better than me, but I'm gonna say one thing. I have a plan. We have a plan. Yeah. And very huge plan.
So many plans.
It's a very short time, right? I don't want to speak.
Right now, you are standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
Which message would you like to give to the Pakistani nation?
I just want to say to the people of Pakistan that please get up, stand against. Hold on. हेलो जी, क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक है जी। आप हम जरा टेलीविज़न को वो कर रहे हैं, क्या कहते हैं, इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, तो आप थोड़ी देर तक फ़ोन कर सकेंगी? थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं तकरीबन 10-15 मिनट तक। ओके, थैंक यू। नाइस ऑफ यू। So, what do you question?
The question is like you're standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower right now.
Yeah.
So from this place, from the top of the wonder of the world, which message would you like to give as the deputy president of mine to the Pakistani nation?
My dear, I have already given a lot of messages.
No, the message was especially from the
Now I just want to say to the people of Pakistan that open their eyes and join with one movement called Pakistan Movement PAIM.
To bring change.
They bring change in Pakistan, right? And they have only one solution in Pakistan. They have to join us, stand with us to bring big revolution against corrupt and criminals, and we will destroy them and we will make new Pakistan.
So, Deputy President Sayyid Mustafa Jamal साहब, मुझे ये बताइए कि आप एक सवाल उर्दू में आपसे पूछे कि यही जो आपने पैगाम दिया था पाकिस्तान की नेशन के लिए इंग्लिश में, उर्दू में पाकिस्तान की आवाम के लिए जो उर्दू समझती उनके लिए आप क्या पैगाम देना चाहेंगे? एफएल टावर की इस वक्त आप टॉप पर खड़े हैं।
मैं पाकिस्तान की आवाम को सिर्फ एक बात ही कहना चाहता हूँ, जो मैंने हमेशा कही कि ये पाकिस्तानी कौम जो है, इसको जागना होगा और जागना होगा और जागना होगा, और इनको खड़ा होगी, और ये नहीं तो मिट जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी, तबाह खाना हो जाएगी। इनको उठना होगा, हमारे साथ मिलना होगा, और हमारे साथ मिल के जो करप्ट क्रिमिनल्स हैं उनको क्रश करना होगा, और उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह हम लोग
Honorable Deputy President of PAIM, Mr. Jamal Takkko, thank you so much for joining us, and that was a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Khuda Hafiz, and see you in another video with PAIM, Pakistan Awami Inqilab Movement's President, Mr. Aga Sayyed. Until then, goodbye.